there's a new test you guys done today for the fire tank. Yes, we did.
Fire product.
Fire products. How did it go?
Test. I thought the test went really well. I mean, it's pretty dramatic when you coat something, whether it's a fabric or wood or even cardboard, and you can ignite it and watch it burn, and when it hits a coating, and then the fire dies out.
You said you're going to do 3 tests. One, the fiber by itself, without any coating.
Right.
One, a different coating.
Right.
And the other one is the BG1 fire coating.
Right. There was a control.
Yeah. How did you go between those 3?
Okay, so you got the control. Obviously, it burns. The second product was a locally sourced product. It was a fire retardant. It did slow the spread of flames, but the next product was so dramatically different in that when we coated those 3, I mean, the fabric, I just kept pouring gas on it. Yeah. I was just dumping gas. Flames were shooting up. And the fabric, actually, the fabric on the other side wasn't protected.
Only one-sided?
Only one side. So the fire actually came up behind and started to burn. But even with that, the original coating, there was actually spots of the coating that were still intact.
So was it a fire retardant or is it a fire preventative?
It's fire resistant. And if you actually look at the cardboard test, it was a much simpler test and could be performed under right supervision with the right materials, the right safety.
Yeah.
And it can be performed by anyone.
It actually stops the fire
Yeah,
right there.
It'll stop the fire right there. We soaked one half, we took a piece of cardboard, half the cardboard is coated in material, half is not. We burned the one half. It's regular cardboard, burns naturally. What we did was the second half, but now all we have is the coated material. We poured accelerant on it. It was just standard petrol. We lit it, and as soon as the accelerant burned off, the coating was actually still intact. The heat was still trying to burn interior between the layers of coating, but it wasn't able to burn the coating. Internal test, BG1, fire product. Okay, here we go. We have a strip of cardboard, same exact strip of cardboard, coated with the fire product. The fire resistant, fire retardant product. It does both. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to use a sponge and we're going to apply some standard petrol to both. I'm going to light them and we're going to see what happens. Okay, Mohsen, come in. Please put the same amount on both. There you go. Yep, good, that's plenty. There's definitely plenty of petrol. I'm going to come around so I don't hurt myself. We do have a fire extinguisher. Yep, okay. We'll just take one. We're probably going to have to redo the facade a little. But we're going to see what happens here. Okay, so you can see that one, without even looking, I know the one went out already probably, and the other cardboard's still burning. So it very clearly shows on a standard test here what will happen to both the products. That was test 1, and you can clearly see the cardboard completely destroyed, fire resistant, stopped burning. Put a little bit here. Yep. Good. Thank you. All right, now I'm going to burn it again. This is just that same piece from the other side. And you'll be able to see that as the fire burns the cardboard, it's still trying to burn the material, the fire-resistant coating from BG1. But what you can see is that it's not getting anywhere. The fire is stopped at the line. The cardboard's going to be completely destroyed, but it's not going to go any further. So we're going to let that burn itself out. Okay, now see, now the fire's still smoldering inside. There's definitely heat. You can touch this side of the coating, it's still going to be hot because the fire still wants to burn inside the cardboard that's uncoated, but it's not going to. Okay, it's still very warm. Still warm to the touch. Now once it cools down and the coating is allowed to cure, we should be able to wipe it clean. Obviously the coating does work. It will save lives. It will give the extended time in order to save property and lives. So again, it's just a first internal test for BG1 of the new fire coating product.
You guys did a good job.
All right, I guess we're done. That's a wrap. Yeah, all right. Yeah.